Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10348A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.